Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing all the products that I've been loving in the month of June, and I know it's already July and I'm pretty late on this, but you guys were telling me that you wanted to see a June's favorite regardless of how late it would come up. Before we start this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Annie and we're just gonna jump right into it. In the month of June, I discovered so many skin and face products just because I feel like June was a very hot month and I didn't really do a lot of eye makeup. So today you're gonna see a lot of skincare products and also face products that are perfect for the summer. The first product that I've been loving in the month of June is the Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Recovery with SPF 50. This is a skin moisturizer with SPF to help with anti-aging. I know one of the things a lot of people tell me is you should always wear your sunscreen, and I've been really bad about that, but I feel like ever since I tried out this product, it's motivated me a lot more to wear sunscreen. In the past, I've worn sunscreens that are like really greasy and they just make my foundation move really weird and it doesn't feel good on the skin, but this right here I wear it all throughout the day and it just makes me feel a lot less guilty because I'm like, you know, I took care of my skin today. Definitely check it out if you guys are looking for a really good SPF to use for the summer. My next favorite product in the month of June is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. You guys, I love Glow Recipe, like their watermelon line and products so much. They smell delicious. They smell like a freaking watermelon Jolly Rancher, which to some people you guys might not like that, but to me, I am obsessed. I love this smell so much, and I use this a lot in conjunction with the Pink Juice Moisturizer. These are the two products. The packaging is super luxurious. It comes in like a glass bottle, but it's kind of a double-edged sword because as much as I love the glass packaging, I would not bring this with me to travel because I'm so afraid it might break. That's the only thing I wish, is maybe they came out with a travel size that wasn't in glass packaging. I would bring this everywhere with me. So I like to wear this before I go to bed at night, and the next morning when I wake up, my skin is so soft and it looks healthy, it looks bright, it's a really great sleeping mask if you guys are on the hunt. Okay, this next product is completely underrated. I literally don't know anybody who talks about this, and it's actually really sad because it's such a good product. It's the LA Girl Pro BB Cream. This is in the shade Fair and this is Light. I use them mixed together. That is the only downside of this product, but I don't mind because I love it so much. It's the BB cream that I'm wearing on my skin right now, and it offers a really light natural coverage, and to me that's what I need, that's what I like. I love it for summer, I love it for everyday wear, and it's so affordable too. Like, you really can't go wrong with these two guys right here. If you guys haven't tried it out yet, please try it and let me know what you think. I have combination skin, so I do get oily in the T-zone, but the rest of my face is very dry. I feel like when I use this, all I'll do is I'll wear this, I'll wear a concealer, and then I'll set my under eye and I'll leave the rest of my skin alone, and it looks so healthy. I don't know if you guys will like this if you have oily skin. If you have oily skin, you might want to set it, and also if you're someone who does not like sheer coverage, you will not like this. It's very natural. I highly recommend this to younger girls who are just starting out in makeup, or a beginner in makeup who doesn't want to go full beat yet. This is a really good starter product. Just know that if you wear it, your imperfections are gonna kind of pop through a little bit. Like my freckles and kind of like the little marks on my face do come through, but that's what I like about it. I like looking like I'm not wearing anything even though I am. So this will enhance your skin so much. This next product is kind of like the high-end version of the LA Girl BB Cream. This is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. I'm in the shade number 2. This one claims that it has a light medium coverage with SPF 15 sunscreen. Now, like I said, it's really just the LA Girl BB Cream, but higher end. Today I wore the LA Girl BB Cream first, and then I put a little bit of this on top. So I kind of mix like both products together, and they offer me a very similar finish. I would say that this one has a little bit more coverage than the BB cream. The BB cream is a lot more sheer and watered down, so If that's something that you like, then maybe you'll choose this one over the LA Girl BB cream. Like I said, we have a lot of face products to go through. So another face product that I've been loving in the month of June is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I think we've all been waiting for Colourpop to come out with a foundation, and the day has finally come. And I'm personally extra excited about this product because I got to be a part of their campaign and their launch, so that was really cool and very special. If you guys go on the Colourpop website to look for your shade, you'll see my little face. If you click on shade number light 45, I represent that color. I really love this foundation because it is full coverage, but I feel like I could also use a small amount in order for it to be natural. I know there's a lot of mixed reviews right now on this foundation. A lot of people either really love it or really don't like it. I'm one of those people who really like it. I think it's perfect for summer. I interchange between this, my BB creams, and the next foundation that I'm going to talk about. This is definitely something that I brought with me while I was traveling to Cancun. I also really love it because the packaging has a little twist for you to lock it, so when it was in my luggage, it did not spill at all. I think that this has a satin finish, so when you wear it, it won't be super dewy and it won't be super matte, but it just looks like a natural, radiant, skin-like finish. The concealer does oxidize, this foundation does not. I'm really glad that they improved the formula of their foundation. And one last thing, it comes in 40 shades. Their first time launching foundations and they're coming out with 40 shades. I think no brand has any excuses when it comes to shade range anymore. I think there is a shade for everybody, and that just makes this product that much better. Okay, last face product I'm going to talk about. I swear I discovered so many foundations this month. This is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I don't need to talk a ton about this because you guys already know I've been obsessed with this for a while now. I'm in the shade L80 True Ivory. This is a comfort matte finish with an oil-free formula, and it comes with a pump. Again, I don't need to talk a ton about this. If you guys go to like my previous 2 videos, you'll know that I was raving on and on about this foundation. I really cycled between this, the Colourpop, and my BB creams, and so I wanted to throw it in here. I would say that the Colourpop foundation has a little bit more of a natural finish than this. This is still very natural. I'm just saying, this is so natural, but the Colourpop just like by like a fraction is a little bit more natural. They're both natural though. How many times am I gonna say natural? We get it. They're very natural. These are very good, but if you're someone who likes a little bit more coverage, definitely go with the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made. I'm talking so fast, I'm like getting tongue-tied. Next product, again, not a surprise, but because I've been using it so much, what are you saying? Okay, because I've been using it so much in the month of June, I decided to also throw it in. This is the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. I'm in the shade 2W. It's a very hydrating, natural concealer, and a lot of people don't like this concealer because it does crease a little bit, but that's an easy fix for me. If you have a really good setting powder, it really isn't an issue, so I pair this with the Mercier translucent powder, and it is the perfect combo for my under eye. The reason that it replaced my Tarte Shape Tape is because of the hydration. I love Tarte Shape Tape so much for the coverage, but I just wish it was a little bit less matte. Okay, next product is also something that you saw me use in the last video. It is the Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel, and then the shade name is Hydro. It comes with this little tiny brush that I feel makes it really easy to get every single hair. My brow hairs do not feel crusty or gel-like at all. It just feels like my natural brow hairs. I'm very pleasantly surprised by Milk Makeup's new brow gel. The next product, again, is something that I've been using and loving for a very long time now. It's actually one of my holy grail products, but I decided to throw it into my June favorites because I've been using it so much in the month of June. It is the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara. This is my holy grail mascara. If you ask me right now, what is your favorite mascara? This is it, okay? That was really dramatic. One of the ingredients in this mascara is caffeine, so it also is meant to stimulate lash growth, and I don't know if that's the case, but I do know that within the last like 6 months that I've been using this mascara, I feel like my lashes have gotten a little bit longer. I know it's hard to tell on camera because I have itty bitty lashes, but in person I see a difference. I love this mascara and it is my holy grail for a number of reasons. This is holy grail because number one, it makes my lashes look so natural. The brush has kind of a curl to it, so when I use it, it not only lifts my lashes but it separates them really well. I own a lot of good mascaras that kind of give me the same effect, but what makes this different from every other mascara is the removal process. When I remove this, it is so easy to remove, because I find that with my other mascaras, when I'm starting to take off my eye makeup, it kind of just gets everywhere and it kind of gives me that black eye raccoon look as I'm cleansing, and then all the little gunky stuff gets into my eyeball and it like burns, and I hate it. But with this, I feel like when it comes off, it just comes off like seamlessly and it comes off all together. It doesn't end up falling back into your eyeball. I know this sounds really weird. I feel like you guys just have to try it to understand what I'm talking about. This makes my life so much easier. Like when I take off my makeup, it's no longer dreadful. I'm just like, yeah, my mascara is gonna come off. It's gonna be super easy. So definitely check this out. Okay, so my next favorite product in June is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered product. Wait, this is gonna be very sad right now. It's my favorite product, but I don't even have it because I lost it. I came home from Cancun. I brought this on my trip and I came home and all I have is the box. I don't know where the hell the palette went. I don't know. I don't know what happened to it, but I have the box. I don't have the palette, but I still wanted to talk about it because I love this palette. Like, I love it so much, to the point where like I told my mom I'm gonna go to Sephora and repurchase it, and she was like, are you crazy? You have so many eyeshadow palettes. But that's how much I love this. I don't care if I got it in PR. Like, I want to go buy another one because I don't have it anymore. It is like all the colors that I need and love and use all the time, and I can create so many looks with it. The pigmentation on these shadows, the formula is so good, so good. Like, now I don't have it anymore, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, it's 65 bucks, but I think it's worth it. I think I'm gonna go repurchase it, or my birthday's coming up, so hint hint, wink wink. Anyone in my life that is watching this, you know what to get me for my birthday. If you were to ask me what is my favorite high-end eyeshadow palette right now, this would probably be it, and I'm so freaking sad that I don't have it. This is also something you guys really shouldn't be surprised about. I've been talking about them for so long now. These are the NARS highlighting powders. I have been pretty much using these non-stop ever since I got them. When I first got them, I was really skeptical because I was like, this is expensive for a highlighting powder. I think they're around 30 bucks each, but let me tell you guys, they are so worth it. My 3 shades that I use the most are Fort de France, Maldives, and Capri. Capri and Fort de France are the ones that I use to highlight with. This one is a little bit more like peachy champagne, and this one has a little bit of a pink silvery undertone. They really truly look like skin. They do not emphasize my texture at all. This is what I'm wearing on my face today. I feel like paired with my BB creams or a really natural foundation, it just gives you like the most skin-like, perfect, natural, flawless glow ever. Can I use any more adjectives? I don't know. You will glow on the beach, girl. The last shade is Maldives, and it's this kind of like deeper pinky tone right here. I like to use this as blush. It's too deep for me to use as a highlight, so I like to put it on top of my blush or use it as blush alone, and it really brightens up my cheeks. If you guys like highlighting powders that have a sheen, you'll really like this. I wouldn't say it's metallic. I would definitely say it's a beautiful sheen, and it kind of has like this satin feel to it. There's no like glitter particles or anything weird like that that will show up on your skin on here, so that makes me love it even more. We're near the end. This product is from the NARS Orgasm collection, and this is basically the illuminating loose powder version of the Orgasm blush. I was kind of intimidated when I first got this product because it looks very deep, and I was like, oh hell no, my pale ass is not gonna work with this product. But actually, once I used it, I realized that This is a very universal blush. I feel like it could work on every single skin tone, and you just gotta focus on the way that you apply it. So when I apply it, I just dip the tiniest bit. I don't even dip into the product itself. I dip what's on the cap and kind of like the residue, and then I just lightly pat that all over my cheeks, and then I take a sponge and blend everything out, and it looks so beautiful. It definitely gives my cheeks a really nice glow. And last but not least, I could not do this video without talking about this product, and like I said, NARS is really impressing me this month. This is their NARS Orgasm Afterglow lip balm. So it's part of the Orgasm collection that I was showing you earlier. And let me tell you guys, I don't like a lot of tinted lip balms because a lot of times it'll dry out my lips and it'll leave it really crusty, and it'll create that gross white line on my inner lip. But this does not do that. This literally hydrates and moisturizes and like brightens up my lips. It gives it the most beautiful glow. And if there was only one way to describe it, I would say that it's like a My Lips but better type of product. It's what I was wearing on my lips the entire video, and like I said, it just like gives your lips the most natural, beautiful glow. Afterglow. My only complaint with this product is that there's too little product. I don't think it's affordable by any means, so I kind of wish they gave a little bit more product, but in my opinion, quality over quantity. When I find a product that I really like, even though they only offer a little bit in the component, I don't care. As long as I'm loving it and I'm constantly using it, I know I'm going to repurchase this. So yeah, definitely check this one out. I think it's a summer essential. It's all I wore in Cancun, and it's all I've been wearing this summer. It's just the perfect tinted lip balm, and it just makes you look like you tried, you know, like you got out of bed and you were like, I'm gonna try today. Alright you guys, so that completes this video, and that was all the products that I've been loving in the month of June. July is already here. I feel like the year is almost over already. We're already halfway, and like just yesterday it felt like 2018 started and now it's over. So it's really crazy how fast time is flying by. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below what products you were loving in the month of June. I'd love to know. I'd love to try out some of your favorite products. And if you guys do decide to pick up any of these products, or if you already own them, leave your thoughts down below. Let me know how you feel about them. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button on your way out. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!